Welcome to Techopium. ZTE's Nubia has just launched a new flagship smartphone in the Chinese market called the Nubia Z50S. This cutting-edge device boasts an exquisite design and is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Advanced Edition SoC, ensuring top-notch performance. However, the most captivating feature is its exceptional camera setup. This is Osman. Keep watching to know all the details of the device. The Nubia Z50S features a sleek, flat design for both its frame and back, giving it a modern and stylish appearance. The back showcases an elegant AG glass finish that mimics the texture of leather, providing a premium look and feel. Like other top-tier smartphones in the market, the Z50S Pro boasts a circular camera module, accommodating 3 lenses for photography. Notably, it includes an additional physical button dedicated to capturing photos, making it more convenient to take pictures on the go. It has 2 standard color options, black coffee and khaki. The front of the device showcases a 6.78-inch flat AMOLED display with an FHD plus resolution of 2800 x 1260 pixels. The screen boasts a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate and an impressive 1000 GE instantaneous peak sampling rate, ensuring a seamless and responsive user experience. Moreover, it holds the UL Platinum Low Blue Light Eye Protection certification, reducing eye strain during extended usage. The display supports a wide range of colors with 1.07 billion colors and offers 100% coverage of the DCI-P3 color gamut, delivering stunning visuals. Overall, the device measures 163, 63x75, 98x68, 6mm and weighs about 228 grams. Under the hood, the smartphone comes equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Advanced Edition, which is essentially an overclocked 3.36 GHz peak clock speed version of the chip. According to the brand, the device has achieved 1,676,933 points on the Antutu benchmark. The device is offered in 3 storage configurations: 12 GB plus 256 GB, 12 GB plus 1 TB, and 16 GB plus 1 TB. It has a sizable 5100 mAh battery coupled with 80W fast charge. To keep the hardware cool, the brand has also incorporated a 4233 square millimeters vapor chamber cooling system. Coming to the software, the Nubia Z50S Pro is pre-installed with the latest version of iOS 13, which comes with only 8 pre-installed applications to deliver a clutter-free experience. Connectivity options on the device include mobile 5G, China Unicom 5G, Telecom 5G/4G/3G/2G Wi-Fi 802, 11A/B/G/N/AC/AX/B, and Bluetooth 5.3. It also has GPS/AGPS/Beidou/Galileo/GLONASS, L1 plus L2 plus L5 for navigation. Other than that, the device includes features like DTS6 ultra-dual stereo speakers, X-axis linear motor, infrared, NFC ESE, and a physical slider. The most attractive feature of the Z50S Pro is its camera system. It consists of a 50MP main camera, Sony IMX800-11, 49-inch sensor with OIS, a 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens, support for macro shooting as close as 2.5 centimeters, and an 8MP telephoto lens with OIS, supporting 6x optical zoom. It also features a 16MP front camera. The camera setup incorporates a custom 1G+6P lens. According to Nubia, the main camera has an impressive aperture of 5.21 mm at 35mm focal length, surpassing other manufacturers' 1-inch main cameras at the same focal length. Furthermore, the phone features Humanistic Street Photography 2.0, which is the new and improved street photography mode, along with the Night Mandrill 2.0 night mode, which has solved the ghosting problem of high light motion shooting, as well as improved adaptive contrast by 40%. The special edition variant of the Z50S Pro comes with a rainbow holographic ring on the camera module, along with a 3D Carrara white back, which catches the light to produce a holographic effect. It comes in a single 12 GB plus 1 TB configuration. Thanks for watch. Hit the like button and subscribe to your channel. If you own this device, let us know in comments.